sailboats. All right, I've already cut out a couple of sailboats. And what you need to do is, see if I can do it with one. I was thinking I might need two put together. But what I did is I just printed them on the wafer paper, edible ink. But then when I cut, I actually left a little space on the bottom for a flap, almost like a paper doll type thing, so that I could actually put it down here. Let's see if it'll work with one. If not, we might have to put two together so that we have one piece of paper this way and one this way. So we'll go ahead and just pop that.
And that's going on to...
That's onto the cardboard board. The one that is going to go turn.
Gotcha. It's on the turntable
Correct.
cardboard.
Right.
It's on the extension then.
Yeah. It's just going to take two. If I don't have the two, it's not going to balance. So I have to actually put them together the same way. Little gel. This one will bend this way, and this one will actually bend this way, though. So an alternative is to either put like a wire in it to make it stand up.
Right.
Or to, which the wire I think will be faster and lighter. Oh, look at that.
There we go.
There we go. Let's see if it turns. How about that?
Yeah.
I think we need some excitement.
Just revving up.
There
Like
it is.
it's not turning.
Look at that.
All right, so at least you get the idea. I mean, it's, this is really hard to do on a live video.
Right.
Let's see if we
Get a
can
wide for the
at
whole-
least,
Let's get a wide angle for the whole thing then.
peel the, probably not the second one yet.
So you could theoretically leave
See.
the chocolate on the acetate paper.
You could.
If you needed
yeah,
to.
it's not as cool though.
Yeah. But you could.
Yeah. So like this one, if we could at least bring this one around.
So, okay, so theoretically, we could cut the acetate down so it matches the waves. Or, once the chocolate's set up correctly, you can take
It'll
it
just,
off
take it off and then attach it with more chocolate to the back is what you do.
to the back of what?
To the cake board?
The bottom of the
Yeah,
board?
to the bottom of the cake board, you would just attach it with some chocolate.
Got it.
Okay, after this comes off. But as you can see, I mean, it's just these lights it's not gonna do it with
Yeah,
these
it's pretty
lights.
warm in here because of
Yeah.
the
And then
video lights.
this is just gonna take more work. So,
Yeah.
I mean,
So you've had lots of experience with this kind of stuff, isn't it? Where, like you just kind of said, you build it and then you fix it as you go.
usually, yeah, unless you want to build every cake like
Yeah.
3 times, but
Yeah.
you're not making that enough money
Yeah.
to justify that. So,
So you're thinking the only reason that the birds are stopping every now and then is because it goes around once and then gets caught on something like
Yeah.
too much tape or
it's actually taken it off. It's probably that the tape isn't tight enough. Okay, so a couple of things I think were happening, and we'll find out when we put it back together. I think for one, this was wiggling, so when that was turning, since it's probably never, the birds are never totally balanced because they're at different lengths, so it was probably wiggling back and forth. So that was one thing, and then it was making it lean over and touch. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of get this in here more secure. So I'm just putting some more fondant around that. I'm sure it would be better if it was completely solid and not soft. So maybe even, if I put the coating chocolate and let it, dry on there, that might be even better. Then we want to go ahead and attach wires. So I've cut these off because what I'm going to do is attach the wires without the lighthouse like I did last time, because that was rather difficult. So I'm going to take 2 wires here. My electrical tape, my handy dandy electrical tape. I'm wondering if part is also because this has to